Back to your feet.
Great job. Circle. Circle left.
Keep going.
Circle your head out to the left.
There you go. Circle. Now go. Lock it in. Stuff the head.
Arch. Arch. Power half. Hey. Power half now. Power half.
Stuff the head.
Colton, power half.
Power half, Colton.
Other side. Get him flat again. Get him flat.
Arch your back. Under the arms, arch your back. You're too far forward.
Hey, Colton. Get him flat.
That's your head, boy. Keep him off of it.
Get him flat.
Take that arm. Get that arm.
Get your boots in. Get them both in. Arch. Slow now, slow. Slow. Use your legs to take him over. Nice.
Now go, go, go. Keep that. Get under the arm.
No, get back to your half. Get up. Get up.
Stay.
Wrestle, Colton.
Keep wrestling. Move. There you go. There you go. You're all right.
Head. Good job, Tristan.
You got to be smart here. It's all right.
Hey, hey, you go neutral. Take him down. What? Down. Go neutral. I said we go neutral. Hey.
Colton, you down 3.
Two
Keep it.
takedowns tied up. Okay? Take him down, let him up. You hear me?
Sweet single.
2 takedowns right now. Right now.
And he goes a double. There you go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Up the body. Up the body.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Hold him there. Hold him there.
Near fall.
That's near. Get the counting.
Get under his arm. Colton.
Pressure. Pressure, Colton. Pressure.
Get off.
Body. Lock it hard. He's got to go to the side.
Get off. Power half. Half that.
Elevate that leg.
Colton. Half.
He's going to settle on him.
Get your legs up. Get your legs out and go with it. Colton. Colton.
Half, Colton.
Bring this.
There you go. Move. Do it. Got 3. Good. Good job. It made that a lot harder than you had to.